Hello students, I'm Dr. Kumar Rathore, Assistant Professor Kaumar Bhatia, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today's session, we will talk about a brief knowledge in genetic disorder. So first of all, introduction about a genetic diseases. So a genetic disease is any disease caused by an abnormality in the genetic makeup of an individual. The genetic abnormality can range from minuscule to major, from a discrete mutation in a single base in the DNA of a single gene to a gross chromosomal abnormality involving the addition or subtraction of an entire chromosome or a set of chromosomes. So, some people inherit genetic disorder from the parents, or acquired changes or mutation, or pre-existing gene or a group of gene causes other genetic diseases. Genetic mutation can occur either randomly or due to some environmental exposure. So here are types of genetic disorders. So four types of genetic disorders. First is single gene inheritance. Second, multifactorial inheritance. Third, chromosomal abnormalities. Fourth, mitochondrial inheritance. So first we will discuss about single gene disorders. So single gene disorders have different pattern of genetic inheritance. First is autosomal dominancy. Autosomal dominant inheritance in which only one copy of a defective gene is necessary to cause the condition. Second is autosomal recessive. First is dominant or second is autosomal recessive. Autosomal recessive inheritance in which two copies of defective genes are necessary to cause the conditions. And X-linked disease. X-linked inheritance in which the defective genes is present on the female or X chromosome. X-linked inheritance may be dominant or recessive. Some example of single gene disorder including cystic fibrosis, alpha and beta thalassemias, sickle cell anemias, it's called sickle cell disease, Marfan syndromes, Fragile X syndrome, Huntington's disease, and hemochromatosis. So students, you have to learn or remember single gene disorders example. And second is multifactorial inheritance. Multifactorial inheritance is also called complex or polygenic inheritance. Multifactorial inheritance disorders are caused by a combination of environmental factor and mutation in multiple genes. For example, different genes that influence breast cancer susceptibility have been found in chromosomes 6, 11, 13, 14, 15, 17, and 22. Some common chronic disorders are multifactorial disorders. And some examples are heart disease, high blood pressures, Alzheimer's disease, arthritis, diabetes, cancer, obesity. So multifactorial inheritance also is associated with heritable trait such as fingerprint pattern, height, eye color, and skin color. Third is chromosomal abnormalities. Chromosomes, distinct structures made up by DNA and protein, are located in the nucleus of each cell. Because chromosomes are the carrier of the genetic material, abnormalities in the chromosomes number or structure can result in disease. Chromosomes abnormality typically occur due to a problem with cell division. For example, Down syndrome, sometimes referred as the Down syndromes or trisomy 21, is the common genetic disorder that occurs when a person has three copies of chromosomes 21. It is very easy to understand. Down syndrome is called trisomy of 21, means three copies of chromosomes 21. And Down syndromes, there are many chromosomal abnormalities including Turner syndrome. One is Down syndrome, second is Turner syndrome, 45XO, Klinefelter syndrome, 47, XXY, and Cry-Due-Cat syndrome, or the cry of the cat syndrome, 46XX or XY, or 5P. Fourth is mitochondrial genetic inheritance disorder. This type of genetic disorder is caused by mutations in the non-nuclear DNA of mitochondria. Mitochondria are the small, round, or rod-like organelles that are involved in cellular respiration and found in the cytoplasm of plant and animal cells. Each mitochondrion may contain 5 to 10 circular pieces of DNA, since egg cells, but not sperm cells, keep their mitochondria during fertilization. Mitochondrial DNA is always inherited from female parents. parents. Example of mitochondrial disease include Leber's, Leber's hereditary optic atrophy and eye disease, myoclonic epilepsy with red rib fibers, and mitochondrial encephalopathy, lactic acidosis, stroke-like episodes, a rare form of dementia. So that's a brief knowledge about the genetic disorders. So in these diseases, it is broadly explanation in the other sessions. So I hope you like the small brief description about genetic disorders. Thank you.